There's been a number of great market reports that have come out in the last few years talking about the lack of digitization, the lack of adoption of technology. It is a risk-averse industry, and if we want to build the cities of the future, it's going to increasingly demand more.
Working in the same model with the design team, it's been super beneficial from a lot of perspectives. A lot of that work sharing process can happen now within minutes or hours using the Revit Cloud work sharing capabilities.
The old way of doing things is we'd have weekly coordination meetings. We don't have to wait for those weekly coordination meetings anymore. Clash detection and coordination, it happens real time.
Before Assemble, we were doing our own models from scratch and utilizing architects' models. The bottleneck was really digesting that data and organizing that data and pulling that data out of the model. Assemble makes that almost instantaneous and very easy. The less time you are spending doing your takeoff, the more time you can spend finding more cost-effective solutions for the client.
The interesting thing what I find on the network component of BuildingConnected is it allows us to go into any region and find out who's the right subtrades to do our work.
BuildingConnected is an extremely easy program to use to manage the entire estimating process from the day you get the drawings to receiving the final bids from the subs.
If you have the right people, the results in the projects just follow naturally from that.
Seeing everything in one place on the bid board and knowing where we should be spending resources and where we shouldn't be wasting time is extremely helpful, and it's making us a lot more efficient. We knew that we'd be saving hours per week. The switch was a no-brainer.
Tapp is great at identifying company risk scores and project-specific risk profiles. We're able to make more informed decisions quicker and make recommendations to our clients more effectively as well.
Now the industry is realizing if they are going to continue to survive and thrive, if they're going to stay relevant in the future, they're realizing that digital strategy needs to be one of their core competencies.